It's also nice. Wrap it up your face. Forget this.
We've been eating this non-stop.
What's up? So cool. Awareness and hope in the Dragon Boat.
Oh, what's that?
For breast cancer.
Oh, sweet. My friend's team is called Wave Runners.
Wave Runners?
Yeah.
Really?
Do you know what that is?
I've seen them. Oh, see all the white tents?
Uh-huh.
They're all the team tents that we sit in.
Then how come you guys are all the way down there?
We're gonna warm up soon.
Oh, okay.
Warm up usually like a couple races before.
Are you holding this? Warm up on the... Do you guys warm up on the river?
On the grass.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Actually, can somebody hold on? I want to cut my hair out. Then you wanted to eat some. Eat it. No, it's good. There.
I got it.
I know.
Yeah. I'm honestly gonna...
We asked some of your teammates, like, where's the deal? No, the teammates are like, I don't know.
Some of them are like